87% of older adults in the United States who lose the ability to walk independently will also lose their ability to live independently within just 1 year. That's why the small signs you're feeling now, like tired legs after a grocery trip, slower movements when sitting or standing, or slight trembling after just a few steps, should never be ignored. These are not just signs of getting older. They are early warnings of leg pain when walking short distances after 60, and if left unaddressed, they can quickly lead to serious mobility loss within a matter of months. In this video, I'll reveal 6 common causes of leg pain after 60 and show you how to reverse them at home in just 10 minutes a day without medications or special equipment. Make sure to watch until the end, because one of these causes is silently robbing thousands of older adults of their ability to walk without them even realizing it. And if you care about maintaining strong, healthy legs after 60, leave a 1 in the comments below so I know to keep making more videos for you on topics like weak legs, walking difficulty, and natural mobility recovery. Cause 1. Age-related muscle loss. One of the leading causes of leg pain when walking short distances after 60 is loss of muscle mass in the legs. After age 60, muscle begins to decline gradually, especially in the thighs and calves, which are essential for balance, posture, and walking strength. This natural process, known as sarcopenia, can make each step feel heavier, increase fatigue, and lead to pain even during short walks. According to the U.S. National Institute on Aging, adults over 60 can lose up to 5% of muscle mass per decade without consistent movement and nutrition. This contributes to muscle weakness, joint instability, and a higher risk of falls. The good news? You can reverse this by adding daily exercises like chair squats, calf raises, or short walks around the house. Combine that with a protein-rich diet, including eggs, beans, salmon, or Greek yogurt, and you'll support both strength and recovery. But muscle loss is just one part of the equation. There's another hidden factor that causes pain to appear suddenly and force you to stop walking altogether. Cause 2. Poor circulation. When blood flow to your legs is reduced due to narrowed or stiffened blood vessels, you may experience pain, heaviness, or cramping after just a few steps. This is a condition known as claudication, and it's common in older adults with circulation issues. You might also notice cold feet, tingling, or leg cramps at night. These are all signs that your muscles aren't getting enough oxygen or nutrients, especially during movement. Many seniors unintentionally make this worse by sitting too long, skipping regular movement, or relying solely on painkillers instead of addressing the root cause, circulation. To help improve leg blood flow, try walking in short intervals with rest in between. Add circulation-friendly foods to your meals like beets, ginger, leafy greens, and fatty fish. And don't forget to check your blood pressure and cholesterol regularly, as both are major factors in lower body circulation. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They try to stay active, but forget to nourish their body from within. That's why the next cause is critical. And if you're still watching, leave a 2 in the comments so I know you're still with me. Cause 3. Vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Even with regular exercise and a seemingly healthy diet, missing key nutrients can sabotage your progress and silently contribute to leg fatigue, pain, and weakness. Deficiencies in vitamin B12, vitamin D, and magnesium are especially common after age 60. These nutrients are essential for nerve health, muscle recovery, and proper circulation. When they're low, you may feel numbness, heaviness in the legs, or need to stop walking sooner than expected. One viewer from Florida, age 67, shared that she struggled with leg pain while walking even short distances. After a simple blood test revealed multiple deficiencies, she adjusted her diet, adding more salmon, pumpkin seeds, spinach, and fortified eggs, and noticed lighter, stronger legs within just 3 weeks. If you experience tingling, nighttime cramps, or stiffness after sitting, this could be your missing link. And if this resonates with you, check out my full playlist, Leg Pain After 60 Natural Relief and AMP, tips linked in the video description. It's packed with helpful content on circulation, nerve support, and long-term strength building, designed specifically for older adults. Next, we'll look at another sneaky cause of leg discomfort that often mimics nerve pain, and what to do if your legs hurt every time you stand after sitting for too long. Cause 4, nerve compression. Not all leg pain comes from the muscles or blood flow. One hidden culprit is nerve compression, often caused by issues in the lower spine such as spinal stenosis, disc degeneration, or poor posture. When nerves become pinched, they send distorted signals to your legs, leading to pain, tingling, or a burning sensation that often starts in the back and radiates down. This kind of nerve-related walking pain can appear suddenly and force you to stop walking mid-stride, even when your muscles feel fine. To relieve it, avoid sitting or standing in one position for too long. Every 30 to 45 minutes, stand up, stretch, walk a few steps, or roll your shoulders. Gentle stretches like forward bends, knee lifts, or cat-cow yoga poses can reduce pressure on the spine. Use a firm mattress, maintain good posture, and ensure your back is properly supported when sitting. Ignoring this can make the pain worse over time. But the next cause is just as important and often dismissed as just part of getting older. Cause 5, arthritis in the knees or hips. Osteoarthritis is a leading cause of walking discomfort after age 60, especially in the knees and hips. As the protective cartilage wears down and joint fluid decreases, each step becomes stiffer, heavier, and more painful. According to the CDC, more than half of adults over 65 live with some form of joint degeneration. This not only makes stairs and standing painful, but it also disrupts circulation around the joints, leading to fatigue, swelling, and aching muscles. To reduce arthritis-related leg pain, focus on low-impact movement, like stationary cycling, water walking, or seated stretching. Incorporate natural anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, omega-3 rich fish, and extra virgin olive oil into your meals. And maintaining a healthy body weight significantly reduces joint pressure, improving movement and reducing the pain caused by walking. Even mild joint pain should not be ignored, because the next cause can quietly build up until one day your legs simply won't support you. Cause 6, poor posture and improper footwear. Posture and footwear may seem minor, but over time, they can become major triggers for leg strain, balance issues, and walking pain after 60. When your feet lack proper arch support, the entire chain from your ankles to hips becomes misaligned, putting stress on your muscles and joints with every step. The result is often chronic aching, numbness, or leg fatigue, even if you're only walking short distances. Start by checking your shoes. Choose pairs with strong arch support, cushioned soles, good ankle stability, and enough room for your toes. Avoid heels or overly soft shoes that throw off balance. When standing, distribute weight evenly, engage your core gently, and keep your shoulders back. You can also try posture exercises like wall standing, single leg balance holds, or mindful walking to retrain your body's alignment. These small changes support better blood flow, reduce tension, and make every step feel lighter. We've just walked through 6 of the most common and most overlooked causes of leg pain when walking short distances after 60. Whether you're dealing with muscle loss, poor circulation, vitamin deficiencies, nerve compression, arthritis, or posture-related stress, each has a natural, practical solution that can fit into your daily life. You don't need complicated treatments or expensive equipment. Just a few minutes a day, the right food choices, and small physical adjustments can restore your strength, reduce your pain, and help you move freely again. If you found this video helpful, comment 9 below and feel free to share where you're from and what kind of leg challenges you're dealing with. I'll send over a few personalized tips that you can apply right at home. And if you're ready to take back your mobility, rebuild leg strength, and walk with confidence again, start with my playlist, Leg Pain After 60 Natural Relief and AMP, tips in the description. You deserve to feel strong, steady, and independent one step at a time.